Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pancakes step by step. First, gather your dry ingredients. In a large bowl, combine 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3 grams of baking soda, and 4 grams of baking powder. Next, add 6 grams of corn flour, 30 grams of milk powder, and 30 grams of castor sugar. Finish with a small pinch of salt, then whisk everything together until fully blended. Now, let's prepare the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 260 milliliters of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Once combined, slowly pour this wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Stir gently with a spoon or whisk until the ingredients are just incorporated. Remember, a few small lumps are perfectly fine for fluffy pancakes. Do not overmix. It's time to cook. Place a non-stick pan over medium-low heat and add about 1 teaspoon of unsalted butter to lightly grease it. Once the pan is hot, pour approximately 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Allow them to cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. You'll know they are ready to flip when small bubbles begin to form on the surface and the edges look set. Once bubbles appear, carefully flip each pancake using a spatula. Cook the second side for another 1 to 2 minutes or until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Repeat this process with the remaining batter. Serve your warm, fluffy pancakes immediately. They are wonderful with a drizzle of maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.